So this is the actual color of the calcium in the Canon 5D Mark II camera. And my buddy Kip Henry's looking with me. It's sort of a purplish color, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Bluish on the edge, maybe. And this is 393 nanometers, which is in the near ultraviolet region of the visible light spectrum. The camera's not very sensitive to it, and that's why it looks so grainy. Had to really turn up the sensitivity of the chip to even see it. Because it's outside of visible light, so the camera's not even designed to see it.
Oh, it's much more clear there than it was earlier.
Yep. So there's a video of that. Now we're going to turn it off and take some colors. Alright, so here we are using the Canon 5D Mark II with a special solar filter on it. And my buddy Claris and I are looking at the sun and sunspots just through a regular camera. And we just saw an airplane go by. We just saw 3 sundogs form and go away. And then we looked at it through the telescope and calcium K.
Oh, that was cool, man.
Yeah.
That was cool.
And he just got his new telescope, so he's all about it, man. This is what it's all about, sharing the sun. Look at those clouds coming up on the sun right there. It's just beautiful. You can see that big giant sunspot. What do you think about all that, man?
Yeah, that
Come on
is.
here, take a look.
That is cool as hell. Man, that is amazing.
Don't be using profanity on my tapes, man.
Oh. Sorry.
Anyway. Yeah, look at those clouds.
Dude, you can see the dots, like all
the sunspots. And the sun's setting right now, so it's going down below the clouds over there. So we're just gonna watch it set.
That is cool. You turn him into a big dork, and I kind of like it.
Ladies love the dorks. I was just trying to explain that to them. Ladies, you can key in here and tell me. That big sunspot in the middle is AR 1967. That's what everybody's been talking about all week. That big black patch in the middle.
Oh.
This is the calcium K wavelength. And the camera's not very sensitive to it, so that's why it looks so weird.
So what exactly is that?
It's a big sunspot group. A grouping of sunspots. You can see them in the glasses that I gave you. You put them on, it's right in the center of the sun. So first I'm going to film this video, and then we're going to go do some still shots.
Yeah, like a really good deep space nighttime observer.
$2,600, what you ought to be shooting. You can get a real nice scope.
Because I was going to start saving money to get me bass boat, but forget that.
Yeah, bass fishing is good too, man.
I'm about to get tell it. Dude, I'm hooked, man.
I went through bass fishing phase before I got to astronomy.
I'm hooked. Because I got this one really cheap boat, and I was going to get a new bass boat, but I'm about to save it and get a real cool telescope where I can see real deep.
Yeah, bass boat's a lot more money too.
Yeah.
I went through that phase. You can use a camera in it. You can put a camera up there and take a picture of it if you want to. You can hold your iPhone up to it and you take a picture of it.
Dude, I'm addicted, man. You said the Chinese were the first ones to see the spot?
Oh. Yeah, 4,200 years ago.
That is amazing, man, that they're able to figure stuff out like that.
Yeah, well, when the clouds get just the right thickness at sunset, you can just look up and see them with your eyes. But it's not quite thick enough tonight for that.
Knowing me, man, I would have been just more like where my next meal is. That's amazing.
Well, you know, the stuff you're doing, the nighttime astronomy, that was done early on by without telescopes. They just did it with the naked eye. But the Mayans had these pots on the ledges of all their temples that held an oily mixture, like a sappy kind of oily thing, and they would fill up these vases with that oil, and they would just look at the reflection of the sky in these vases, and the vase never moved. It was always in the same spot, so they would record hourly what moved by the vase.
That is cool.
And that's how they mapped the sky.
That is cool.
And so reflecting
They're smarter than me.
Well, a reflecting image was the first way telescopes were designed.
Yeah.
You know, the refracting telescope, Galileo thought that out, and he basically based that on eyeglasses.
Yeah.
But the reflecting, observing of the sky was going on before that. So.
That is cool. You can go back before I be late on my break.
Okay.
Next Sunday. Well, no, I'm going to be in Mississippi next Sunday. But the week after that, will you be here?
Unfortunately, yeah.
I'll bring my telescope if it's clear.
I got 4 weeks left, including this one.
Alright.
But you know where I live, man.
Yeah.
I can always bring your telescope there. You can bring it to the meeting.
You won't be able to see it from over there, from your place, would you?
No.
I want you to show me how to I just want to see it one time. If I see it one time.
Go get it now.
Will we be able to see it tonight?
Yeah, if it stays like this, it's sitting right there. I mean, see it right now if you knew exactly where to point it.
I mean, to see deep space stuff.
Yeah.
Like
this is a good spot to see.
Like to see nebulas.
Yeah. You can
All
see
right.
nebulous from the parking lot easily.
All
Right
right.
here.
What time do you
Especially
get
if you go
off?
up in that corner over there.
What time do you get off?
Let me turn off the recording device
Oh,
first.
okay. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Nah,
See, man, see how excited I get, man?
I'm gonna let it finish setting.
Man, baby girl ain't gonna be able to see that, though. If I take a picture of it.
It's easy to find.
Now I got it down where it only takes me about 30 minutes to find Victor. Before it takes me like
30 minutes.
Yeah.
It'll take you about 3 seconds, man.
It
It's the
takes
brightest thing in the sky.
it takes like 30 minutes.
We'll fix that.
Cause you know, like I sit here, you know how like it's kind of low, so I'm sitting here like this, like looking at this, and then trying to look through the finder scope, like
And put it on the table.
yeah, that's all it is. But I'm trying to like, you know what I'm saying, trying to like look at it with my eye and then trying to figure out how to look with
Looking
the
down
finder
the tube.
scope. Yeah.
Look how beautiful this image is. You're getting this is a solar filter, so all you can see is sunlight through this, but the sun is reflecting so brightly off that one contrail that it's actually sending most of its light to you.
There's a plane coming through
Yeah.
the too.
This is beautiful.
All right, let me go back. I'll see you later, man.
Okay. I'll be working 2 to midnight tomorrow night, man.
All right, cool.
What you working night shift?
I got a 3 to 4.
Oh.
I'll come back up here. I'll bring the stuff. So
You don't want to do all that. We'll do it next week. Okay, and there's the sunset with my friend Claire's cabana. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, it's www.solarastronomy.org.